Please listen up because I am in serious trouble and I need help. Last night it started to storm real bad outside and at first I told myself I was going to be a big boy about it this time. However, moments later there was really loud thunder and I just about shit myself. I then zoomed down the hallway to mom and dad's bedroom and tried pawing at the bed, but those lazy mother fluffers would not wake up. How do they expect to have a baby around here when they sleep like rocks? Anyways, I ended up having to exert all my energy into jumping on the bed and I guess I didn't really pay attention to where I was jumping. I ended up racking dad in the no-nos for the third time and he started to scream. His scream scared me more than the thunder. However, people say the third time's a charm, but then for some reason things got worse. Mom ended up rolling over and while she was asleep told dad to shut the fluff up and go back to sleep. I thought that was funny. Dad did not go back to sleep and he immediately shoved my ass in the crate and for some reason got another bag of frozen peas out of the freezer. He then proceeded to tell me something about being on thin ice. Like, bitch, do you even know who runs this household? Although I did not mean to rack him in the no-nos, at least there is a chance that there will be no more tiny humans in the making to replace me. I personally think dad should have sucked it up. I think he forgets that I got my balls chopped off without consent and didn't even whine about it. #free buddy and tell his dad to suck it up.